Want to know how to change the opportunity settings or how available you are looking for jobs or interviews? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you a setting that will help you in getting more interviews or getting none as well. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just open up your wellfound.com website. So just simply towards your favorite web browser and type in wellfound.com and make sure you are logged in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in and once you have done everything, here on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options. So on the top right side as well you should be seeing this drop-down box right here which says open to offers. So for now currently you are open to offers and much more for jobs as well. So you can just simply select this drop-down box right here and check accordingly. So you can select close to offers in order to get none. Select ready for interview to get more interviews and offers, and then just simply select open to offers, which is your default. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.